mean, Benjamin has only tried to make a blur background on his phone, but I wanted to do that, but we don't have green screens. But whatever. So bored. What should I do? I'm gonna go check on Emoji and Lumbo. Hey Lumbo, I can't hear anyone, so I can't hear anyone here. So can you check if we're home alone? Alright, bud. What are you talking about, bud? We're buds. Alright, time to check if we're home alone. Alright, this is gonna take minutes. I can't believe we're home alone. Yeah, finally home alone time. We've never been home alone before, so this time is over. They think they're home alone, but probably not, cause I'm here. I'm doing like a prank. Okay, so Lumbo and Emoji think they're home alone, but they're really not, cause I'm here. So what's to do? What prank am I supposed to do? I know. To the prank book. Okay, so according to my prank book, I want to do a prank at them. So what prank am I supposed to do? Let's see. Gaming bandit prank. No, I'll do that last time. I know. The farting prank. Ooh, I know that. So basically, it's like someone farts, but it's fake. So basically, I buy like a farting cushion. So basically, it's like someone farts, and but it's like a prank. So I buy a farting fake prank cushion. So that someone farts, and I just make a prank out of it. So Lumbo's the one that's gonna fart because ooh, now the camera's blurring. Woo! That's new. Is it because of ooh, the camera's blurring? I don't get it. Guys, the camera's blurring Walla, but I'm not blurring, so yeah. Oh my god, how am I gonna get this thing? There are hundreds of them. It's gonna be impossible. Wait. There's hundreds of them. I think I might just get that one. Alright, got the rupee thing. Basically, whatever it is, it's a rupee cushion. So it's supposed to make this sound. It's supposed to make this farting sound effect. So basically, you get oh no, I can't get them because they think they're home alone. Alright. So how am I gonna do this? I'm just gonna make a random fart. So what do I do? Okay, screw this. Ew, get away from me. What? You farted. No, I didn't. Then what's that sound coming from? It's you. I'm sure I didn't fart. Look, I just believe that it's you. So get away from me. No, come here. No, get back here. Get back here. No. Stay away from me. Oh, you farted again. Yeah. What is wrong with you? That's disgusting. Now I gotta get that thing. Alright, that should be enough. Done. Now don't fart again. Okay, I'm literally not farting, Walla. Walla, you're farting. Well, that wasn't me. Oh my god, Junior, you did this? Hey, I got you. Did good. get a tattoo one day. So, happy late fools. Right? It was a joke. Get him! Look, guys, it was just a prank, so I don't know why you're sad about it. Guess you're right, it was just a prank. You know what, Lumbo? I'm sorry for calling you a fart thing. Well, I'm glad you appreciate it. And I'm glad you appreciate it too. Well, I'm sorry for pranking you. Let's get rid of these. No, we can stay for like another prank. I don't feel like doing that. Come on. No. Fine. Let's get rid of this. You guys can stay here. Are we really home alone? Yeah. Whatever. My God. Man, I will apologize for calling you that you farted. Naruto! Man. Well, hey guys, it's me, Bowser Jr. And as you can know, we haven't been uploading videos, so the reason why we did it, it's because we were just doing the way like we've been busy with our main channel, and sorry we were not uploading on this channel. So yeah, we're so sorry because we've been busy with my other one, with my main channel. So yeah. New video will be coming soon, Monday. I mean, hopefully. So yeah, maybe I might just get tired. So yeah.